Hi everybody, I welcome you all to Sukh Vibes. First of all, I'm not a professional trainer. This video is a small effort to help others with the driving exam based on my experience. In this video, I'm going to share you 10 tips to clear your driving exam in the first attempt. I will be really happy if I'm able to help a single person out there to clear his or her theory exam in the first attempt. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Tip number 1. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes man perfect. It holds really true to clear driving theory exam in the first attempt. Keep practicing your question until your brain's traffic light turns green. Fall in love with your question bank. Learn all the questions by heart. Keep on practicing until you don't get all the questions correct. Just remember, practice is the key to your car that you're gonna drive after obtaining Führerschein. Tip number 2. Be consistent in learning. After all, it's also an exam, right? Short and consistent learning session will be more beneficial than burning midnight oil. For example, you can practice during traveling or during your lunch break, waiting for your friend at some restaurant. You make a time from using Facebook and can devote time in learning. Make a plan that fits into your schedule. Keep a target to revise each question at least 4 to 5 times before going for exam. Tip number 3. Mark difficult questions and keep on practicing them frequently until you are able to get them all correct. For example, in my case, I have found right-of-way questions difficult and I have practiced them again and again. Tip number 4. Pay special attention towards 5-point questions. It will going to cost you another exam. Therefore, you cannot afford them to go wrong. If your app gives you an option to select questions based on their weightage, filter the 5-point questions and practice them again and again. For example, here, I'm having this Führerschein Gold app and it gives me the option that I'm able to filter out 5-point questions. Tip number 5. Cramming versus understanding. There are certain questions that has to be crammed. For example, certain formulas, speed limits, parking distances. So just cram them, learn them by heart. But most of the questions, they are based on common sense and understanding. First of all, you have to be sure that you understand the rules and then use common sense to answer those questions. It's that simple, right? Tip number 6. Take a deep breath, relax, and then attempt video questions. You are allowed to see video questions in exam for a couple of times, so don't panic. Try to be alert and attentive while watching the video. For example, we are going to watch this video. While watching the video, try to find situation that demands your attention. In this video, what we are seeing a danger sign, which means that a danger is to be expected within the distance of 150 meter to 250 meter. Also, we are seeing a cyclist sign. This will give you a hint that answer could be related to cyclist. Just a hint. Watch the video till end. We can see the cyclist. Okay, so once you are satisfied, you have watched the video carefully, click to problems. Remember that you won't be able to watch video again if you have moved to problem section. So take your time to watch video carefully during exam. Read the questions and available options carefully. Try to find the options listed in the question in the last frame of video. This trick note will work all the time, but it will work most of the time. Remember the situation in the video that have asked your attention and answer accordingly. By practice, you will remember what's going to be in these videos and questions related to them. So you need not watch them again and again during exam. Tip number 7. Don't be in a hurry to finish the exam. You can celebrate a bit late. Revise your answers before finally submitting them. Multiple answers could be correct. Tip number 8. Numerical questions. Solving numerical questions during exam is not that great idea. Due to exam stress, you may end up in doing wrong calculations, even if you are a great mathematician. Practice numerical questions well, so you know answers even without solving them. Of course, during preparation, you have to know and understand underlying formulas. These will help you during your practical exam. Practice special topics again and again. For me, I have found some traffic questions really confusing. I have to refer to other resources in order to understand. कहना क्या चाहते हो? Means what are you trying to say? I will post the link of these websites at the end of the video. Tip number 10, mock exams. Practice mock exams to get an idea how the exam is going to be. In exam, there are going to be 30 questions, 20 from basic knowledge and 10 specifically related to your class. So in my case, it was class B. These are some additional tips. Tip number 11, breathe and relax. Just breathe and relax. Do some deep breathing exercise. They will help you to calm down before exam. Try to reach exam venue before time. Carry all important documents with you. Before starting the exam, make sure that you convey to the examiner the language that you have opted for taking exam. In my case, it was English, though most of the students were doing in Deutsch. Tip number 12, observe and revise. Whenever you are going for a walk, try to observe traffic situation, traffic sign, and revise them. See if you remember them. If you don't, come home and revise them again. Here's what you can take with you. First, practice, practice, practice till you are perfect. Be consistent in learning. Try to spend at least half an hour daily. Mark difficult questions, mark them and revise them again and again. 5-point questions, you can't afford them, go wrong, so remember them, learn them. Cramming versus understanding. You have to understand some questions require certain questions. Cramming versus understanding. Certain questions require cramming. Most of them requires understanding. Understand them and then try to solve them. Video questions. Just be relaxed while attempting video questions. Try to find the specific situation that require your attention and solve accordingly. Multiple options could be correct, so don't be in a hurry. Numerical questions, not a good idea to attempt numerical questions in the exam. So practice them before you go to exam. Mock exam will give you an idea how the exam is going to be. Just breathe and relax. For sure, you are going to get through it. Observe and revise while going for a walk. Observe the traffic signs, traffic rules, and try to revise your question. If I can, you can too. All the very best for your exam. Here are the links. The apps I have used for my exam is Farenlearn and Max and Führerschein Gold. And some useful websites are Route to Germany and Getting Around Germany info. Thanks for watching. If you have liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're interested in any particular topic, please feel free to write in comment section. Take care. See you next time.